How to continue recording a draft on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so let's see how it's done. Just go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then let's quickly record a TikTok. Let's click continue. Here you can edit your TikTok, add some music, text, filters, etc. Just like you usually do. Let's click next. And here you can type in whatever you want. Just going to type random stuff. Just add a simple hashtag. And let's just save it as draft. Now if we go back to our profile page right here, we will see that the draft is here. So now we want to continue recording the draft. Just click on it. And once you are here on this page, you need to click on the arrow or the back icon at the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, you will see that you have the option to continue recording. So just click on it. And as you can see right here, the recording is stopped at the same place that we stopped previously. So let's here. And once you do that, you can just continue to do what you usually do from editing, and I don't know, you can tag people, you can write stuff, you can choose a cover, you can mention people, you can add hashtags, etc. And once you are done, let's just click drafts again, and as you can see, the video has been modified and it's now 13 seconds instead of 5 seconds. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can continue recording a TikTok draft. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.